Meaning of filigree.
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 Filigree. Filigree refers to delicate and intricate ornamental work made from fine wire or narrow strips of metal, typically silver or gold. It involves twisting, bending, and shaping these materials to create decorative patterns and designs that are often used in jewelry making, metalwork, or decorative art. The result is a fascinating fusion of skill and creativity that produces intricate and beautiful designs that are both ornamental and functional. Filigree work can be found across many cultures and is still widely popular today due to its unique and intricate beauty.